the shadows we've been held too tight. Chains of a creed are never out of sight. Waging war on a will to be free. But we rise like smoke in a sea. Fragments of truth echo in the night. Voices scream while we ignite the fight. They can't control us, but we make a stand. Tear down the walls. Together we'll break the corporation's hand. Bring down the lies. Under the surface we're brewing a storm. Pushing back against this toxic norm. Reclaim our power, we won't be ignored. In the dark, industry will be torn. Lose the shackles, we've gathered our force. Rising up, there's no stopping this course.